Hi guys, welcome to your
our
happy
YouTube
pause
channel.
button.
Today we are making a chocolate cheesecake.
A recipe from my mom.
Yeah, a recipe from my mother-in-law's book. You can see ingredients on the side of the screen, guys.
Yeah, so we're gonna start with corn flour. We're gonna add half a kilo of corn flour. Then we're gonna use four whole eggs. So not just the part of them, four whole eggs. We're gonna mix them nicely. When it's done, we're gonna add them to the flour and we're gonna mix everything together.
And just so you know, we did add some what you call
Yeast,
We did
yes.
add some yeast, and now we will add fresh cheese, soft cheese, on the
Yes,
flour.
half a kilo
Half a kilo, yeah.
of soft cheese. We use 600 grams, but that's it.
And Greek yogurt.
Yeah, about half of what you use from soft cheese you use in Greek yogurt. So 200
then-
grams, 300 grams,
And then so much sugar.
150 grams of sugar, and then we mix everything, and that's pretty much it. It's a very simple dish, and it tastes delicious.
Yeah.
When it looks like this, so between a liquid and a solid
Yeah,
state.
you don't want it to be too thick. You don't want it to be too watery. So it's
Yeah.
medium.
Medium. So we had a little bit of accident while putting it on the pan.
Our dough is ready, guys. Look at that. And we put it on.
But don't worry, guys. Our cameraman was safe during filming this video.
Nothing happened.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour it in the pan. We're gonna put it in the oven, 170 degrees, 30 minutes.
Look at that.
Look.
Ready on.
Perfect.
Yummy.
Perfect. And while it's cooling down, we're gonna prepare our chocolate. We took one chocolate from the store, any chocolate you like, 150 grams.
Yeah.
The important thing how to melt it is to put it on very low fire over a pan with water and mix it constantly. When it melts, as you can see right now, we added maybe 1 tablespoon of butter. We mixed that nicely. And then we started adding 1 spoon of cocoa powder.
Milo.
Yeah, this one is my girlfriend's favorite. And we added a little bit of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt, guys. Trust me, it makes the flavor.
Maybe less than a teaspoon as well. You added very little.
Very little, yes, very little.
Okay, guys, everything is ready and we are gonna plate. My boyfriend is trying his best to decorate nicely. Look at that.
Yeah, it's not the best, but
he tried.
Yeah. And now a slow motion for our dear friend from Croatia, who specifically requested us to do a nice slow motion.
At the end of the video.
Yeah, this is for you. Guys, chocolate is great. You have to try it. Subscribe, like,
and comment. We love you. Bye.
See you on the next one.